Google's VEO3 is changing the way we create videos, and the results are insane.
You give it a prompt, and boom, it creates full-on videos, from epic battles to random everyday moments.
It even adds voices and lip syncs.
So your wildest ideas actually talk back to you.
Some people say this is the end of the AI video race. Honestly, they might be right. And the crazy thing? You can try it too. Let me show you how it works.
Hey everyone, if you want to create such high quality AI videos, then first of all, go to the Google and search for VEO3 DeepMind. Click on this link. You can click on Try Gemini from here or from this button on top right. Next, click on Upgrade. You'll be offered a 1-month free trial to access all premium features. Click on Get Offer. Here you need to add a payment method, but don't worry, you won't be charged any money. Click on Subscribe for 1-month free trial. And that's it. One thing you need to keep in mind is to cancel the subscription before the free trial ends. If you need some help, I'll show you how to cancel the subscription in the next video. Now go to Gemini Pro. And we are done with the setup. All you got to do now is click on Tools and select Create Videos with VEO. Now you just need to provide it with a good prompt. And to do that, you'll need help from some AI text generator like ChatGPT. Here are a few instructions that will help in generating a better prompt. First, you need to mention that you want the prompt for VEO3 AI video creation. Second, give it a small description of your idea. Third, if you want a voiceover, then make sure to specifically provide instructions for the voiceover text. And lastly, you can also provide instructions for the camera shots and camera movements. Now open ChatGPT and provide it your requirements for the prompt. And that's it. It will generate the prompt that you simply need to copy and paste it into VEO3. VEO3 will quickly generate the video. And the results are amazing.
That's all you need to know about VEO3. If the video was helpful, then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.